In this study, they put Crohn's in remission just using CBD oil, and I want to show you how they did it. Stress makes Crohn's worse, but CBD oil helps us stay relaxed, which means better digestion, less Crohn's disease symptoms, and faster healing. So what products did they use in these studies? So the first product you need to be aware of is hemp oil. And hemp oil is essentially just like olive oil. We use it in our cooking, and this does not have medicinal benefits, but it is safe for a Crohn's sufferer to consume. We also have hemp oil extract, which looks something like this, but it's often referred to as hemp oil. So don't get these two mixed up. We're looking for something in a small bottle with an eyedropper like this. Hemp oil extract will not have THC in it, the chemical that makes us high, and it will not have CBD in it, the chemical that is known for its medicinal benefits. But don't worry, there are hundreds of other medicinal compounds inside hemp, and they are in this little bottle right here. This product is cheaper and more widely available than a CBD oil. And then we have CBD oil, which can come in many different forms. We can have CBD oil with no THC. We can have CBD oil with a little bit of THC, and this is actually a good thing because this helps boost the medicinal benefits, and there are some medicinal benefits to THC, and it is in such a small dose that we can function normally. But we also have CBD oils with a lot of THC in it, which is only going to be available in certain locations. But CBD oil without THC can usually be bought without a subscription in many locations around the world. So if you can go to a cannabis shop, that's what I want you to do. Go to a cannabis shop and tell them, hey, I want some CBD oil for relaxation, and they will get you all set up. So if you do not have access to a cannabis shop, this is okay. Go online and just do a Google search for CBD oil and see what pops up, and try to buy something of high quality in your price range. If CBD oil is hard to find, then the next thing you want to look for is the hemp oil extract. And this is widely available and usually a lot cheaper. There's going to be a lot of products out there, guys. Don't get overwhelmed. Just buy one small bottle of something with good reviews. So to use your oil, you want to follow the dosage on the guide because the potency can vary greatly depending on what product you're using. But you simply open it up, you fill up the dropper, and you place it under your tongue. That's where the chemicals get absorbed the fastest. You hold it under your tongue for a minute, and then you swallow it. And you want to spread out the daily dosage over the morning, afternoon, and nighttime. They also come as edibles, and you just simply eat them. And if you go to the cannabis shop, they can set you up with a vape pen, which makes the chemicals hit your system really fast. So with the lab studies, people suffering from Crohn's symptoms saw good results after about 10 weeks, but I want to share with you guys a shortcut. So the main benefit of using CBD oil is to help us feel relaxed. So in the modern world, and especially those of us suffering from digestive issues, we are under a lot of stress. The people, my students who have the highest levels of stress, they have the worst Crohn's symptoms. My students who are more relaxed and they have a more positive outlook on life, they heal a lot faster. The people who can stay relaxed, they heal faster. Think about your autonomic nervous system. When you are in fight or flight mode, when you are super stressed out and you are in fight or flight mode, we all know this is just common knowledge. It hurts digestion and tissues cannot heal. Your cells can only stitch your gut back together if it is in a rest and digest and heal state. So the CBD oil helps us stay relaxed and keep us there. So in modern culture, there are a lot of stimulants. We have medications like steroids, nicotine from smoking, coffee, caffeine, soda, energy drinks. But we're exposed to very few relaxants. That's why it is very important that we take this every single day to combat all the stimulants coming at us. But the most important thing that we need to do to maintain that relaxed state and to keep us from being stressed out is when we're stressed out, When we become emotional about something, we really need to analyze this thing and pull it apart so that we can resolve it or neutralize it. Maybe you need to do something physical. Maybe you need to talk to somebody. Or maybe you just need to change your perspective or change our bad habits. I had a lot of bad habits where I would get angry over the littlest things in my life. And, changing those bad habits really helped me, remain calm and cool, which promoted better digestion and allowed me to heal my Crohn's a lot faster. My name is Mike the Healer Gut Guy, and I healed myself and many of my students of Crohn's disease and other digestive issues. CBD oil is a great tool for healing your Crohn's, but to heal your Crohn's, you're going to need more tools, and you're going to need a good plan on how to use these tools correctly. So at the end of this video, on the end screen, there is a link to an hour-long video where I show you everything that I did and my students did step by step to heal our Crohn's so that we can eat whatever we want. I eat whatever I want. I eat junk food. I've gained over 30 pounds this year, guys. I used to be super skinny. And most importantly, show you what you need to do to end this Crohn's nightmare so that you can live a normal life again. If you live in the US or Canada, I want you to text this number down below for exclusive Crohn's tips. Please hit that like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you later.